What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jake here, aka BrusHstroKeZ. Just wanted to show you this cool little tool that I received free. I won it in a podcast giveaway. This is called the Edge Master. This was designed by Simon Fraser Designs. And Craig Fraser. Craig Fraser is one of my favorite, probably my favorite airbrush artist alive right now. But this cool little tool here, it's designed to take the tape edges off of your paint. It's got this nice little felt piece on the bottom, and then it's got a plastic razor blade. It's got a little rubber band on there. That blade is at a certain angle to help you take the tape edge off of any graphics. You simply just push this down flat. You can see how the razor blade's kind of spring loaded with that rubber band on it, and then you just set this down and you can scrape your edges. Now, nice thing, it comes with some spare parts too. You get an extra plastic razor blade, and then you get this nice little metal razor blade. It has the rounded corners. It's not sharp where it would cut you, but this would be for maybe you're like knocking down the edge off of maybe clear coat or maybe some stronger paints. And then you do also get a couple of extra rubber bands as well. You get two of them. So yeah, this is a really awesome little design. I typically just used a plastic razor blade in my hand to knock down these paint edges. But this awesome little tool makes it so much more convenient. As you can see here on all the edges around the lettering and all the graphics, you can see where that paint has built up, and there's a little bit of an edge there. Now if you go to clear coat over that, it's going to be really raised. So typically custom painters, we usually knock those down. And before, we just had plastic razor blades in our hands. Now this cool little device makes it super easy. So right here you can see that big edge. We'll go ahead and place this down and show you how it works. So this is the first time trying it, and right here I had pressure on the edge. You can see the razor blade wasn't flat, so here we go. I back it up a little bit and get it flat, and there you go. As you can see, that paint just scraping right up. Look at that. Nice and smooth. That way you don't have to use as much clear coat to bury those edges, and you'll get a lot smoother finish. So I think I'll just slap on some music here and let you watch me go ahead and knock all these tape edges down. And there we have it. No more paint edges on this thing. It'll be super easy to get this buried in clear coat now without having those ridges on all the design here. This tool is super easy and convenient to use. It's extremely nice to have. Really excited to have this, and I actually might buy an extra one and do a giveaway for it eventually, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you turn on notifications, that way you know every time I drop a new video. Till the next one, keep those brushes stroking.